Hello again, another office job for interview tomorrow, 5:21 Wednesday at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So this company is a trading company, so you're responsible for a trading and sales. We're looking for one person only for this, and this is located in Itabashi Ward in Tokyo. So there will be shifting schedule for this, and the salary for this is from 250,000 yen to 300,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So the level of Japanese for this would be at least conversational Japanese. So again, this is a trading company of this is a trading and sales company. So scheduled for interview tomorrow at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So anyone interested, this is an office job. You can comment down below. So the interview will be in our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. Thank you.